So I just got my stuck together. Okay, we did it. Now back to unveiling it. Ta-da! Let's see, it's got some sort of clip there. I don't know what this is or this, but it's got this perfect holes for my finger. Oh, this is just a front pocket. So I could put my tablet or something in there, probably a laptop or whatnot. So how do I open the big part? Oh, what's in here? Oh, there's a key. Did they send me a key? I don't see anything key. Anybody see a key? Push. What do they think I am? I can't open that. Where's the key? I guess I'm not gonna be able to use it if I don't have a key or a code. Maybe it's in here. There's a secret pocket. How do you open that? I shall be back. Okay, after much work, I finally got it open. I had to unclip these. I had to squeeze this area up here with two hands so that it released my... Okay, we got this. Maybe we don't. But then it's got these zippers here. You had to zip them down, and then it had this in there. Oop. And then it has this thing in there. I guess it's a hairnet for it, so it doesn't get wet in the rain. And it's got a lot of little suctions. It's got something up here too. Ta-da! I don't know what it does. I need to read directions. But it doesn't come with any. Okay, maybe I was wrong. This says, get help through our support portal. And it's got this little scanny doohickey thing. Oh no. I had to kind of rig around the camera because it was so tiny in there. It had a lot of movement, and now it doesn't. I have my lighting. I have my remotes and my timer and my batteries and some straps. I have my zoom lens. That has to be a rain cover. And then this would close, so you have room for other other things. I don't know what I just said. So, ta-da. I need some pull things for these ones. Okay. Got it. So now let's flip it over. Ooh, it's so heavy now. But it is ready.